Six. That's how these four teams earn their ticket to the event, their chance to win their share of $20,000, and of course, their suites across the way. Suites, I don't know their suites, but they're suite rooms inside of Bally's. And now their Dance with Destiny is on the toggles as their drone flies inside of the cage and the clash of the drones. That's how we got four of our teams. The rest of the teams also coming from either Sebring or there's two wildcard teams. One, Team Canada, that we're going to see in our next heat in about 12 minutes, who made it here as our winning team from the Mega Drone X in Louisville, Kentucky last November. And of course, our hometown heroes, the Las Vegas Lights, who we're going to see in heat number 2, also trying to break our top 4. Now we're watching things right now. Nexx Blades, still your leaders. Green LEDs are the triangles on the backside. And their pilot working for them looks like that is Jobot Racer once again. Our youngest pilot, he is in the back seat on the stage here for Team Nexx Blades and pounding hot laps for his pilots. Holy guy. We talked about some 24-second lap times, and I think Captain Van Over broke the speed barrier. Our second last pilot for Nexx Blades, we looked at a 21.4. That was Velocidrone. That was me, wow. That was me, wow, going ow, crashing out. Speaking about crashing out, the Dallas Drone Stars, they did the same. They're gonna try and get back up. We watched them get second in team racing at MultiGP's International Open last August in Muncie, Indiana. And I don't know, I don't want to send the Dallas Drone Stars home, but man, we are hitting turning ribs. That was the Dallas Drone Stars making a statement right there. Man alive. Taking out drones, taking out LED bars. I did the same thing in the Velocidrone simulator as well. It's all right, guys. Yeah, just bam. It's like that PBR Pro bull riding game. You can be the cowboy or the bull. I like just destroying the thing. When I play Monster Jam on my Wii, because I'm an old school gamer, I like to do that. Just rain that destruction. 5 minutes in, 10 minutes still to go, and Nexx Blades working on lap number 12, the green LEDs, your leaders. Then we drop 2 laps back for Emax, red LEDs in second. They're on lap number 10. They're on pace to move themselves higher than the bubble. If they're able to do for the next 10 what they've done for the first 5 minutes, well, they can move themselves up to second, maybe third, put away from that bubble, and a little closer to winning 10K. Yeah, buddy. Caesars Entertainment bringing drone racing to Sin City on this wild stage. And what a great showcase. Thank you, Caesars, for your support. Our host and home, and we look to grow our sport together. Oh no, there goes Nexx Blades going high and crashing into the ground. Man alive. Nexx Blades goes down 6 minutes in, 9 minutes to go. Now they're going to try and get back up. They were just above our heads. Now he's going to go back into those cubes, the green LEDs. And now Emax getting closer to our leaders here. And now you're going to see some excitement. They're racing against the clock for qualifying. But I think in just a few, we're going to see the red chasing the green. Emax is challenging Nexx Blades here in qualifying round number 3. 8.5 minutes still to go. You're watching Line of Sight. It's a gorgeous course inside of Caesars Entertainment Studios. And, well, we also have those great screens, courtesy of our friends at LG helping us out. Innovative business solutions. I got an LG screen at home. I love it. I got the one that arcs. It was a gift. You gotta wear sunglasses behind them screens. And here, all of our judges, we have redundancy, our judges all watching the FPV feeds on a large computer. LG 23-inch display screen. And it is glamorous thanks to our great partners at LG. We love them, and we're glad to have them as part of our drone racing family. And we're all noobs or newbies, as Caesars bringing drone racing here as part of their esports program inside of the studio. Yeah, they play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire in here. They play esports. Sure, they played some basketball. They shoot some movies as well. And now they've hosted drone racing and many more shows. Now look on your LG screen in just a second. Out everyone with 7 minutes still on the clock. And now we get back up. Meow and Night Fury back up to the skies. Have you ever seen that before? I think after all the rounds that we've done, we've only seen that once. Six and a half minutes still to go. We've been watching as well with our spotters with those Oculus goggles for racing pilots, our friends DJI, the guys with DJI with us. Helping us out as well, another great partner, down to looks like just one, that's Meow up above us for Team Velocidrone. They were ranked in the number 3 spot rolling into this one, and unless Emax is able to get some go-go juice, there's the red LEDs about to cross over from your right to your left. They are on lap number 15. This is drone racing right here. Everything's hot, everything's moving, and then she gets a little sloppy. She gets a little boggy and sticky. Well, we still have lots of time on the clock. I mean, we're not even at the 10-minute mark here. The final round of qualifying. Still with a black screen on the Dallas Drone Stars. The blue LEDs that were our underdogs in this match. They, I think, are down for the count. I'm looking over and I don't think anything is happening over there. And now they tell me that we are getting close. We're getting close. Nexx Blades and Velocidrone are now about on the same lap. Green still leading white, and white is racing with red. That is Emax leading Velocidrone. Now we have a battle, guys. Watch white and red. This is a battle for the number 2 spot for track position. It is the white of Velocidrone and the red of Emax going through our triangles right now. Emax doing that chase cam. Watch FPV if you see it on the screen. Let's go up high. Here comes Velocidrone. They're working on lap number 17 for Velocidrone. We are killing it right now. I think that is SFPV on the 6 for them. And giving chase for them right now is Emax and Night Fury with that chase cam. And Nexx Blades is in the thick of things as well with them green LEDs. Velocidrone ahead of Emax. Watch this, white and red, side by side through our Zappos Firegate. 4:20 still to go. The party started. Here we go, white and red once again. Velocidrone. Now Emax ahead of Velocidrone. Sean Taylor, has made the pass. A two-time XDC champion, and bam, down we go. On that channel. There's a quad powered up. 3.5 minutes still to go. We're down to just one. The 2-time XDC champion, the 2-time MultiGP champion, Night Fury. The red LEDs, that is Emax's very own Sean Taylor, Night Fury. Ripping it right now on lap number 21. Remember, last time that they were with us, they only did 24 laps. They're on pace to do a bunch more through our Zappos, Stargate. Down they go. Everyone was following along with Sean Taylor, and, well, not the worst. He says, I might be able to go back up. He might be able to go back up. 12 minutes in, 3 minutes still to go. The question is, oh no, he's trying to disarm. He's trying to turn that video transmitter off. Go FPV feed. Right here on the stage, Sean Taylor trying to turn off his quad. We'll bring it up here in just a second. His quad is powered up. He can't turn the video transmitter off as Emax was challenging second. They're challenging second, and they will retire in the number 4 position, wishing, waiting, and hoping after this heat. There's 2 minutes on the clock, and you can see right now on our live stream, the look of defeat as he put those goggles on his head. Now, this happened yesterday to the Dallas Drone Stars. They crashed out in practice on our Zappos Stargate, right in the fire. They roasted their quad, and same thing. If you cannot communicate back from your controller to the drone, you can't turn off the video channel. And another thing, Sean Taylor, it's the prettiest your video has been.
It's kind of a unique feature that we don't usually fly through back home, so it's just kind of really cool flying through triangles. It feels like you're on Tron.
Yeah, so is this course different from other courses that you've flown?
There's like nothing else like this out there. This is insane.
All right, awesome. Thank you. Good luck at the next heat. Thanks. All right, guys, do not go anywhere because we have one more qualifying round, and the competition is getting fierce.
All right, while we have a moment here, we're totaling up what we're seeing here in our tally. We want to welcome all of our guests inside of Caesar Entertainment Studios. But on our screen right now, while we have a second, we are verifying some scores. I want to show you what all these stats are telling